Mr. Mutenda Devi.
I'm fine and you?
And the bow. Last time I made out and escape na Chiduma, Chikurubi.
The escape Ipa maximum prison. We masterminded that escape.
The tourism Bijana.
We masterminded that escape. Me, Chidumo, Guluwe, President Love, and President.
Right. Sagaba Murgutaura Akanyora Bhuku.
Yes, I wrote a book. Nduna out to the print the book.
Ibugure Nderechi book.
Rinonzi the escape.
Yeah.
Any 125 copies.
Pages.
Yes, 125 pages. It's written right now. I took 3 months to write that book.
Name star nation book.
Mubuke Momo Ndutaranezanya escape Chikurubi maximum prison. I wanted to do an interview with Tilda Pastor FM, but this book is too sensitive. Aparamba kupinda interview. Then the banana budding writers. Abanditi $150 per page till 80. Then I got the copies of the book. Saga, I just want sponsoring the Chichi. Zesa Zakaita Chikurubi prison. Tanga kutichimaita mind. Nana Chidumo was part and parcel.
Iwe manje.
Yes.
Unonza nje? Stara kujana.
From the Mutenda.
Oh, igore ribiro.
This is 1999. A year before I came out, because I came out in 2000.
Mama pika makore mangani.
Ndanda took 14 years.
Saka makazi chova 14.
Ndakazoita escape futi kumutare prison. Yababuria pamanika post and just that date ranzi drama iti mutare prison court.
Imi.
Yes.
Saka motori bandit again.
No, I'm not a bandit, I'm a reformed person.
Reformed bandit.
Yes, reformed, yes. Then I told this Savan it was the crime does not pay.
Oh.
Yes.
Saka those room Bhuku.
Those room Bhuku the crime does not pay because we pay no atera matum katima usungwa. Akanyora Bhuku iroro zese zirimo suffering nemagadi zvaitita vachita abuse chichi. Even His Excellency came to see us. Ndikataura naye ini.
His Excellency Ndewati.
President Iti Mnangagwa. He was Minister of Justice when he visited.
Yeah.
This was 1997.
Yeah.
Yes, we were about 472 in our section, Equal.
Yeah.
Then I say to these guys, these inmates, because I want to say stuff. Let me talk to him. Depends chimozo yenyu akabauya iye na secretary wake muindia nchamuzota enzani ndikukanganwa vatanga ri kujustice futi ndoba ndamutaura ndati tokumbira womotipa uchi amnesty tibudo tareforma but you don't want to reform you people because I want my car namakaba makandisa kuZambia 544. That's what he said. Messi mandupei amnesty vamwe vese ndogona wapamana imimi makajekazi vemombe housebreakers andikupechi amnesty asi vamwe ava veti mafraud lechi ndichavapa amnesty ndopakaitika amnesty vanhu vakabuda
ndangana angari commissioner of prisons that time.
Commissioner of prison was Zimondi the late.
Oh, vakashaya
my manje. He was the one, the commissioner of prison Zimondi, but he was a good guy.
Yakubata zvakanaka.
Itibata zvakanaka. Commissioner of prison itibata zvakanaka. Yeah.
Saka varimo zvese zvirimo mubhuku mako.
Zvese zvirimo mubhuku. It's written in the book. Zvese zvirimo. Introduction of the book. It's
so
okay, fine.
It's okay. Actually know what we're talking about.
It's okay, fine. All right, okay. It's called The Escape. Author's note. This book would not be, in fact, written without the help, encouragement, and support, particularly my nephew, Luis Msindo, my wife, Nyasha, who gave me all the time to write this book. I also thank my sister Melody for inspiring me, and also my other nephew, Roro. I've dedicated this book to my son, Manasseh Mutenda. This book is sold subject to the condition that it shall not, by the way of trade, otherwise be lent, resold, hired out, or otherwise circulated without the publishers prior consent in any form of binding or cover other than that in which it is published and without a similar condition. This is others note. That's my note. Bhuku rakatanga iri ndichitanga kupinda ndichiri pa Harare Central Prison. Ndagara musolitary confinement. 23 hours locked inside, and I stayed in solitary confinement for about 11 months. Then we were transferred to Chikurubi maximum prison, including condemned prisoners. Vangari life vadzikiswa. Vangwapiwa petition kaona president, the late Mugabe. Then we were transferred to Chikurubi maximum prison. Then ndisvika pachikurubi maximum prison ndakatoona pane kamunhu kanga ane skeleton kakaiswa nginzi kari paipai ndopa ndakatanga kutya ndikuti maiwe jeri randakupinda but I tensed ndikati hapana Mwari anenge aneni. I used to pray every day, ndainamata every day kuti Mwari achandichengeta, and Mwari akandichengeta. Zvese zvandakaita ndiri mukati mejeri Mwari ndiye andichengeta. I had to smuggle cigarettes, dope, whatever. I was a drug trafficker ndiri mukati.
Yo man.
Yes.
Mosha yako yanga iri yechi first of all.
Carjacking. Ndaipa moto.
Oh. Yes. Wasungirwa kupi? Yakazokupinza mukati.
Ndakasungwa ndiri paTyre mutown. Pa hotel paTyre ndo pandakasungira.
Gore ripi?
Ndakasungwa, this was 1989. Ndakasungwa 89. Then I was arrested. Pandakatiza paTyre ndanazobatirwa paparliament. Ni maprisa anogada paipa. Ndokandibata. Yeah.
Oh.
Then I was taken to homicide section. Ndatorwa about homicide, then ndandaiswa pa front page pa newspaper. Ndandabuda, they came for a deep parade. I had 34 counts. I was identified by 20 people. And during my stay in prison, I was going for other further charges. Yet I was convicted for these 2 charges for 14 years.
Yeah.
But now I also did law whilst I was inside. And those charges were dropped because Ndandakuzamteo.
Sakamuri lawyer retreat.
I'm not a lawyer as such, but okay, it's okay, Italy, okay. Ignorance and fit in Jari, it says that ignorance is no defense. Is as my manjo kaparamusa, urara mwana mudiki. And Titika, opati, musikana wangu. The next thing, opati, mamtirara mesi, makarara kangani mesi. The next example, and Agapa, you know the citation. Mudara mumagazusungwa. Arara mwana angane 16 years. Statutory law in Zimbabwe 18 years and above. Akabati mukadzi wangu yachichichi achitaura mukoti. And the next thing you were sentenced in my brat. Abanzi 31 days you were sleeping with this girl. Uchiti mukadzi wako times 5. Abasha uda my brat citation yacho iripo pa court. Abapi 105 years. About Major Street. About top at 5 years. 110 years. Yes, akazofira kujira inzi chemusitswatswa. He was an old person. Angakura. He died in prison. It was 105 years. He had just too much.
105 years for rape.
105 years for rape. 31 days. Those are multiplied by 5 years. I have 5 years for each count. Because I got out for 31 days in the other moment.
Nice.
It's okay. Introduction of this. Yeah. Chikurubi maximum prison. It was built by human beings. So what plan and strategy was the next thing? It was me thinking. First strategy, to kidnap and hold all guards on a night shift. Zvaitika manje ndezvekuti pandaenda kupedza charge magadhi vaivai vaisiya maheti nechichiti pareception paipai. Pateta kuchinja tipinde mumakaki tichipeka yekuendesa kukoti vaizoti bata former camp emadad ma-prison officers.
Yeah.
And I just told those camps anditi tatakuita toda kusona ma-trench coat ekubhaiza vanhu kuti tikwanise tikapinda mukati uwo tikabata 1 guard. At least if you're armed takuenda kwaMwari. takutanga paseri pechikurubi maximum prison pane inonzi shawasha mission ipapo taisa pane motikari because we needed transport.
Yeah.
Transport was very vital. Handiti if we armed tine transport taikwanza kuescape zvakanaka but zvakazoitika manje ndezvekuti okay, let me just continue 2 sentences.